Please clear the view for the scorers. Thank you.
Thank you guys. Thank you very much.
Especially my wife is enjoying.
Yep.
Well, what a fantastic occasion. The beer is cold, the standard of cricket is very high, and there's always next year.
जल्दी आ तू मैं फोटो खिंचा रहा हूँ बाद में बात करूँगा
Are you playing?
Bana Chulte, Sanjay Mehta and Neeraj Kaura. Bana Chulte.
Who's the batsman?
There are two sets of round robin games. 6 teams will go into the quarterfinals from the winners of the first round robin. 2 will come from the winners of the second round robin. There'll be a quarterfinals. 4 teams will go and play the semis, and then the winners of both the semis will play the finals. So it's going to be a whole day affair. We're going to finish by about 7 o'clock, and the favourites today, I believe, will be AET, or rather AET being having a very strong team this year, and Rudder, of course, last year's winners. Then there are the underdogs, K-Line and YK. So let's see how it goes.
Spare you.
He's the right person for that.
Hard starboard, hard put, midship.
We would like to welcome you to 2012 Marinades. As usual, this is in the 6th year, and we're having a lot of fun. This is the first time we have got everybody with a full kit, different colors, and the new paradigm of cricket is right here in front of us. Only thing, the players are not so fit, but nevertheless they are very, very keen on the game, and they seem to be enjoying so far. Okay. One of our biggest sponsors here. Welcome to Mariners Ace 2012 once again, and here I've got Arjun Batra, one of the doyens of Indian Mariners. He was with my boss long time ago in City University, Toros, if you remember, Stelios, and now he is in Singapore enjoying the sunshine over here and the game of cricket. Sir, can you speak and have a few words about our Mariners?
I think it's a wonderful day out here. Everybody seems to be having a real party environment, carnival type environment. So it's a great way to get the community and the Mariners together. So well done for organizing and keeping it going.
Feeling Alka about the strategy, all the teams, a lot of horse trading going on here. People are very passionate about the game, and they bring the best players, of course, within conformance of this tournament rules. And I have a strategy as well. And while these guys are getting the youngsters who play very well, I'm getting their bosses to play for me. And I'll see how they win the tournament, because they will be sending all the wives, because when they see their MDs on my side. So guys, best of luck, and I'll see you out there. BSM doing here this time?
The event is, like we said this morning, it is perhaps getting better by the year. Today it is almost a semi-professional tournament, which is very, very helpful, because every company is participating in the sponsorship. There are teams and youngsters who show their interest in the game, which is very, very positive. And we even have very good guests of honors coming in for the tournament, so that says a lot for this tournament. My full credit to the Mariners Club and the Anuj Sahai in particular, who's done so much for this club, and also to the other members who've done very well.
About BSM?
BSM, yes, we are one BSM, we know what we're doing. As I always say, we are a very low-key company. We don't believe in propaganda. We are very, very confident, or cautiously confident of ourselves. And the team has proved that. They've won the first 2 matches, and they've gone into the quarterfinals, they've qualified, which it says everything for itself. So that's all I can say at this moment. But I'm happy to be here and part with my entire team here. It's really, really very good. Thank you.
Well, on behalf of the Mariners Club, BSM and all the other participants, I'd like to thank them. It's a wonderful day, very colourful, echoing Sandip's words. It's becoming more and more professional each and every year. It's becoming bigger and more enjoyable. So we wish all the teams success. Unfortunately, there can only be one winner, and may the best team win.
Tournament is fantastic. It's a nice event. We participate every year, and our team is playing for semi-finals. We hope that we win as last year. Thank you.
Team is fantastic. They play extremely well, but they lost. But you know, it's all in the right spirit. You know, cricket is all about playing with friends. You know, and winning and losing is just part and parcel of the tournament. And we are very pleased to support this tournament. Very good turnout. You know, a lot of teams this year. 18 teams participating. We are very happy to be participating. Thank you very much.
Mr. Robert McNamara. Ray McNamara. I'm sorry, Ray McNamara from AIT, and he has got his team, which has been struggling for the last 6 years, trying to win this tournament. And this year they seem to be doing very well. They had even the resolve guy who left me and joined his team. I'm really sort of surprised, but nevertheless, let's hear from him. What do you think about his team, sir?
Well, next year we're going to take it very seriously. We're going to shut down all the foreign projects, bring all the good cricketers back home. I think it's priority one for us next year.
So you mean Rampal and Amit Ray are going to come back?
Yeah. And to hell with the projects, we're going to win this next year.
And that's good strategy. I think, you know, that is what we call, you know, take it seriously. And how's it day so far?
It's an excellent day. I mean, the feeling here is great. It's a real seafaring feeling. You know, it's not zero sum. Everybody's happy when everybody else is doing well. And the charity element is fabulous as well. So thank you very much for doing it.
We are just doing it, trying to have some fun. Only place where probably people lose very gracefully.
True enough.
You know,
true enough.
It doesn't happen in a marine field that quick.
Yeah, but just so long as we don't lose to V-ships, it's probably all right. That wouldn't be too bad, really.
Did you do the root cause analysis of all this?
I have to say thanks to organizers. It was a good show. I mean, we really enjoyed, and usually every year we enjoy. This year, unfortunately, we didn't have the best team. But as my boss said, next year we will be having this tournament. You know, we'll win that, whatever may happen. We are waiting for Dilip Venkateswar to come. That could be the most important moment. You know, to see him give the prize to the best team.
We are playing the quarterfinal. We are bowling the second innings.
Okay.
We batted first and we're bowling now.
Okay, and what's your strategy?
No strategy now because we scored over 109 runs and they've lost 2-3 wickets, and I think we are reasonably okay.
Okay. And you're playing
just having fun. The strategy is only to have fun.
Oh, okay. And giving your 100%?
Giving your best. Never mind win or lose.
Okay.
But have fun. Give it your best shot. The rest, that doesn't matter.
So how was all the games since morning?
We did all right. First game we couldn't win, but that was okay. We lost in the last over. But I think it also helped us in many ways, in the sense we got kicked up ourselves.
Right.
And we played a little
It was
bit
a
better,
wake-up call for you. And how many games have you played so far?
We have played 3, 5. This is the 6th game.
And you've lost only one? So
We lost one.
To which team?
To Tanker Pacific. We're going to play them again, hopefully, if we win this.
Tell us about how
Let me
you
ask the
formulated.
questions. This is not the right question. He scores 109 runs and he says he's having fun. He demolished the team. Right. Can you explain how did you manage to score 108 runs in 6 overs?
No,
Please explain yourself.
Because I think the batsmen went out and they said they're going to give it all. And we had given them full liberty for the first few guys to go and just hit out. Doesn't matter whether you lose your wicket or not. That's all about people, right? In any company or any team, it's all about people. So we managed to find the right people who felt that they believed in what we believed.
And where did you find them?
In various organizations within our company, we had a lot of people also.
All from Singapore?
No, we had offices in Chennai. We have office in Cochin. So those guys who played well and who had passion to come up and play, they were always welcome. So they came in.
Oh, so wow. So you have a team put together from different parts of the country.
Yeah, within our organization, but it's different offices, yes.
Wow, what a commitment.
And you know, and we have a lot of people from Chennai who come here to just support. So decided to contribute $10 for every run we scored, and we have been scoring the maximum runs. So I think by now we have clocked over $4,000.
Excuse me, sir. This money is going to go to whom?
This is going to some children, poor children home, basically to buy them books for the year, books and water bottles and all. So we're going to take these kids to the popular bookshop for a day and buy them all the books for the year, and then treat them for breakfast in perhaps McDonald's and then bring them back to their home.
Take them to Subway, not McDonald's.
Yeah, that is their choice. They preferred McDonald's, but it's up to them wherever they wish to go. It's just the idea is for them to get together, have fun, enjoy what they want to buy. Many times in life you are told what to buy, but you want to give them the absolute freedom to go ahead and pick what kind of book they want, what kind of pencil they want.
Rajesh, one last question. What is the strategy against Tank Pacific?
Now?
Yeah, Tanka Pacific.
Yeah, I think initially we were too much stressed because people felt that we are put against Tank Pack. But this time we said, okay, never mind, this is Tank Pack. We're just going to go and have fun. Doesn't matter. Result is not going to be in front of us this time. That's the only difference.
None of them are going to get sack or the bonus on cut, nothing of that sort.
We're going to have fun. Okay. Even whatever happens on this field, we still go back in the evening, the entire bunch, we're going to come back and we're going to have fun.
Okay guys, so that's your Rajesh Shoni for you. The guy has been
Thank
one
you.
of the most
Nice chatting.
I have one more question.
Yeah, sure.
Okay.
How much did you practice before the tournament?
No, we've been practicing maybe about 5 to 6 times max on the nets in the last 1.5 months.
I have one more question. How much did you pay to the selectors or the guys who were drawing up your team journey towards the finals?
No, that we have not paid anything. In fact, we want to ask them why are we meeting Tank Pack twice? No.
Is it a valid question?
No. I hope we don't have to pay any more.
So you have paid, that means.
Because we are now in the semi, so no matter what happens, we're still going to go where we are going to go.
Okay, best of luck, man.
Thanks.
All the best. Take care. Have fun.
Thank you.
1.
It's about 10 hours since we started, and hope we another 2 hours to survive and see how it goes. I mean, that's the fun part of it. I got here one of my very old friends, Joy DeMello, who was really the one who kick-started this club way back in 2005. So it has been about 7 or 8 years, and it has been fun. Joy, would you like to say something about this tournament, about this club?
Yep, definitely. Basically, when we started, there were hardly 8 teams, and we were struggling to find 8 teams. Today, we have 18 teams, and there's no saying no, because everybody wants to get in. Perhaps next year we are looking at taking this tournament into a 2-day event, because we have such a good response.
Yeah.
And let me tell you that the creator of all this stuff is none less than Anuj, because it existed, I believe, in the 90s, and then it died down, and we revived it again in 2006. So it's been a great platform, and I can say that we have been able to take off to these levels because we have so many superintendents and others in the Marine who are keen on playing cricket. I think the 90s the platform did not exist.
Yes.
But today I can proudly say that we do have this wonderful platform. It started off as a social event for us to meet people from other companies and the families. But I think now it's becoming really challenging, and the spirit of winning is slowly overtaking our social needs. So therefore, we need to relook and see what we need to do next year. But definitely it'll be bigger, and I think we're always getting better. So yeah, that's what I have to say about this. It gives us a great honor to bring all our Mariners together on a playing field and not a battlefield. So that's what we have in mind. And yeah, I think we need to thank everybody who supports us, all the sponsors who have come forward with their money, because they really didn't know what they're going to get, but I think today they do. So that's my take on it.
I've got here Avinash Kadam with me, and he's in Marsline and one of the most enthusiastic players we have seen across. He was there yesterday when Wings Hacker was here,
spoke glowingly, and the way he's got way with the words. So I'll let him speak.
Let me just say it's a wonderful effort by Anuj, Joey, and the whole organizing team for Mariners cricketers, and they've been at it for many years, and it's an effort to get all cricketers together and to help the marine community come together in a sort of a neutral atmosphere, have fun along with the families, and play cricket at the same time. So I'd like to say thanks a lot to Anuj and his organizing committee and the team for Mariners Cricket Club for making this event happen and for getting us all together for a wonderful day of cricket along with our families and food and fun. Thanks a lot.
The only place where you learn to lose gracefully. You can do a lot of horse trading. A lot of horse trading is going around here. People are trying to buy the better players, and all these things are happening. But when they lose, they're quite sporting. Very unusual for a mariner, but nevertheless, it's there.
And that was all in jest, he didn't mean it, by the way. Let me just say about the Merc Tankers team, we had a very good and enthusiastic team. Their strategy was to play well. All players were committed. There are a couple of players who are actually flying out tonight. Some of them have had their families fly out for a vacation before, 2 of them in fact, and they've stayed back only for this match. It shows the commitment towards the team, towards the game, and towards playing today. They had a loss in the first match, but they had a thumping victory in the second one. And after that, I think the third one, they could not break even. But I think the commitment is there. They had a good time. They enjoyed themselves. And overall, it's all about the team and the game and the participation. Winning and losing is a matter of fate. I guess there are some policies and procedures about this whole event, about having external players or not having external players. But I think it's fair play in the sense that some teams cannot garner up all the players that they want. So the message and the motive should be to participate and to play well and have fun. And winning is just one of the aspects of the whole game. Winning is not the aspect of the whole event or the match. Thank you very much.
You guys, welcome back to Mariners 2012 Mariners 8. I'm here with the managing director of Tanker Pacific. It's great to see him supporting the team and being right here at 4:30 in the afternoon. This is really tough. Tanker Pacific, as usual, have done very well. They were the winners, if you know, in 2006 in inaugural first tournament, and since then they have been sort of coming into the final or semi-final. So this is a team to beat. Everybody wants to sort of like beat Tanker Pacific. They've been watching, and here there is MD who is right here to support our team. Would you like to say something? How is the team doing, sir?
Yeah, they're doing very well. As always, they're batting and bowling well.
Are you okay?
They've seemed to have beaten the opponents so far conclusively. So we look forward to the semi-final. Let's hope they can beat Synergy.
I just saw your star batsman Rajdeep. He was lying on the ground, getting his back pumped up. He's gone already. Now what do we do if the star batsman not fully fit?
Well, we've already got 2 players who are injured, so and retired hurt. So we need all the grey hair we can get.
All right. You think you will be able to beat Synergy? Synergy has got some imports, I think, illegal imports, I think.
Yes, absolutely. I heard that they're not called Synergy for nothing, right? So I hope so. We should beat them.
All right, okay. Great. All the best, Tanker Pacific. Let's go for it.
Are you?
Thank you very much. Nice to see you.
Sir, are you familiar with cricket? Do you know about the strategy of your team? How have you motivated them? I know it's a good team.
Have we motivated them? We've told them they have to win or else. End of the year is coming up.
That's typical Tanker.
Thank you very much.
Great, see you there. Come on here. I got here 2 lovely ladies. This is the only time I got to put my hands around them. Otherwise, they will all be, their husbands will come in over me, right? Okay, so here they are, and their husbands, both of them slightly injured. And let's hear from them. What do you think about the cricket here?
It's very nice. Everybody is enjoying.
Gonna win or not?
Yes, we'll take the trophy back.
You get a trophy back. Did you have the trophy before?
We had the runners-up and the winners also.
That's right.
Don't worry, we're all cheering for Tanpak. Cheers, Tanpak!
We'll take it.
All right.
Beautiful weather, and thank you to the organizers for putting it together.
Let's see what
So
MPI
many
has done to him.
Cricket enthusiasts enjoying the day. Look at the lovely ladies there, girls doing all the work. Good music, good game. Thank you.
All right, best
What
of luck.
about strategies and wow?
We are going to win. We are here to win.
Okay.
We do everything seriously.
You're going to play who right now, Synergy?
We are in the semi-finals and we are waiting for the results from the other pool. Hopefully it is Synergy whom we beat early in the morning. We can take them on second time also. Not a problem.
You have a dubious distinction of somebody has taken your photograph while your pants were down. Unfortunate, but that's a fact. Now, just tell me how you're going to play.
By the way, those were not my pants down. It was somebody else. So, my face is not there. If you can prove it to me, fine. But we're going to play now and we want to play hard.
All right.
We're going to get into the finals. And I hope we'll do it.
Okay, good. Best of luck.
Thank you.
Okay. One of our biggest sponsors here. Welcome to Mariners Ace 2012 once again. And here I've got Arjun Batra, one of the doyens of Indian Mariners. He was with my boss long time ago in City University, Toros, if you remember, Stelios. And now he is in Singapore, enjoying the sunshine over here and the game of cricket. Sir, can you speak and have a few words about our Mariners?
I think it's a wonderful day out here. Everybody seems to be having a real party environment, carnival type environment. So it's a great way to get the community and the Mariners together. So well done for organizing and keeping it going.
Yeah, this is 6th year actually.
I mean, for me it's the first time, but it's very wonderful to see everybody having a great time and enjoying the game and enjoying the spirit of common interest.
Going forward, what would you like to see this Mariners club doing in the future? How do we take this forward and do something that is really constructive for this club, for the community?
I think, I suspect that at the first level you have to get the community together, which is a great initiative you have already made.
Yeah.
So I think that's a great starting point to start with, and the question then really is what the individuals and the people want to do, and there's so many causes, so many opportunities for everybody, either as individual or as a group to do. I think, in our environment, there's a shortage of things to do. It's a question of what people feel like doing, and what they really take their heart for. I suppose it is really the people who are leading it to jointly sit down and see what motivates everybody, but there is no shortage of causes.
Great, and I believe you have donated a lot to the charity here. This tournament.
Well, we've made a small contribution for we're very happy with what you guys are doing, and we feel it's appropriate for us to support you guys.
Thank you very much, sir. We just want to have a small word, and we're going to put this on a YouTube or wherever Alka decides to do that, and we just wanted sort of like everybody who has sponsored this even in a small way or a big way to be the part of the big event. Eventually,
Thank you very much. Well done to you and everybody who is part of this.
Be closest to the pitch. So from that point, you're the closest.
Outside the company, it's okay, but he is working for us. And for the past 1 month, he is working here.
छोड़ना नहीं अभी मना कर रखा हमारी
ऑफिस से किसके लिए हमसे क्या है अपने ही बंदे हैं
और छोड़ना नहीं
They want to bring some players, some Abhilesh Yadav. They are saying that if you are playing that way, we want to play Abhilesh. That's what the problem is. They want to bring in the Abhilesh.
The first semi-final Mangalore, and our guys did really well and fought a very good team, and we almost had them but for 70 runs. But we wish them all the best and chhodna nahi.
All the best.
Don't worry, I'm there with you. Right there.
Go, boss. He's gone.
One of the same team is there, yeah. We lost nothing, so I don't know.
Leave it. It's already decided. Don't need to talk about it anyway. Just play your game in cool.
Come on, boys. Don't worry about it. Decide 11 students. All 11 students. Yeah.
Just definitely I objected to something. Expected. Always
Yeah, because it's a crucial game. No, not that thing. The thing is that I know I normally wear helmet. This one time I did not wear the helmet. You have seen me keeping everything. You collected and then it went to something. Took a toppage of the bag.
That is what happens when you go to the crossbar.
But what did the doctor say? Yeah,
9 stitches.
that's all. So crack to me or nothing.
Made in over. पकड़ सुधाकर पकड़ जान डाल दे वेरी गुड कमान ऐसे बांध के रखो सिंगल शिट मैन गुड बॉल
Today of all days I didn't wear helmet.
कैच राजदीप पकड़
Umpire! Get in close! Sudaker, that's it! Keeper! That's it! Singles don't hurt! No, they train. We have a good team. They are playing together all over the year. They train a couple of times a week. We have a well organized. The team leader is a very strong one. Is very much passionate. He loves cricket, so he's leading all the others. And we are proud of them, no?
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
That's it. Yes!
Please.
Okay. We've said 70.
In semi-final.
Sorry. My neck is choking. And we've done 2 overs and they've scored probably 22. They have to chase 70 and we just got Apte out, which is the most important wicket for us.
Ladies and gentlemen, it's a tie for all the we're the best team right now.
Can you tell us what are you expecting?
Maximum use. We're going to play the super over. I'm not sure about what happens, but we're going to play
It's going to be super over or on previous averages? Previous whole day's performance?
No, resume it's a super over now for quarterfinals.
Oh, it's like
so we play 1 over and team playing best in the 1 over wins, I guess.
New. So batsman, no issue. Can come in. No batsman can. All batsmen can come in. Anybody? 1 over match now. Okay.
Understood.
The bowler who has not bowled has to bowl.
6 balls over?
6 balls over. Bowler who's not bowled has to bowl. Yeah. The scorer. Keeper can re-bowl. Keeper cannot bowl. Keeper cannot bowl. He's the last bowler. You check the score. And the white will be re-bowled.
White is a re-ball,
Dada,
white is a re-ball.
white is a re-bowl.
So can you give us a quick review of what just happened?
There's
For the
tie in the
semi-finals.
semi-finals. So now we'll be having one of super over things. The bowler who has not bowled in the innings will have to bowl. And the batting will be come to bat, and we have the outcome in the final score. What will be winner? Will be winner of 1 over.
So even I am a wicket keeper, right? So I can change gloves and I can.
As per the rule, the keeper cannot bowl.
No, but where is it written explicitly that the keeper is a non-bowling bowler? It's not a non-bowling bowler player.
I'll tell you. No, I'll tell you.
Only 8 playing, only 6 balls ball is one cannot bowl, right?
One cannot. So yeah, the wicket. I could have taken down the pads, right?
Yeah, he could have taken down the pad.
I could have taken
तो
down
अगर
the
से
pad.
2 बैट्समैन आउट हो गए तो तीसरा बैट्समैन आ सकता है. Can
Which clause
unlimited
is this?
batsman.
Which clause? Under which clause is this?
Under the
Okay, show me.
अरे चुप कर.
Okay, laws of cricket.
rules.
But what, laws of cricket doesn't say 7th over bowler.
For the batting team, any batsman can come and take the bat. Biju will be bowling the super over for runners. Ladies and gentlemen, a very interesting situation at CSC. Delivery for 2 runs.
Game, no ball. Game, no ball. 3 balls to go.
Another rapid fix by Anuj. Another run song here.
वो बॉल में ले लिया.
6 balls.
Good ball, Anuj. Good ball.
6 from Delhi. Ground super over in progress. That's 4 runs. That's a wide ball. That's a wide ball to go. That's a whopping 6 from the batsman, and that's the end of the innings for Runner because of falling light.
Well played. Yeah.
We are looking for Mr. Nanda.